We are here with Bob. It's good to see the H2 out. What a day.
Nice day for you.
It's definitely a good day, man. Temperature is getting up. Let's go. Good to see Bob back on the H2. That's Bob for you. Bob's loving it. Let's go, baby. Bob's really in It's a good little ride out with Bob. I don't know why I didn't fill up. Just came out of the petrol station. Oh yeah, this bike is juicy. I don't know if this one is worse than H2. Today I'm going to see Mikey. Shit, man. Oh god damn it. The shenanigans. Look at that, made a mess out of it. Alright, cool. Let me clean this, pay for the fuel, and let's go. Where the bike is, yeah. No, it's alright. Let's see how many more is that going to last. Stick in neutral. Alright, off we go. Alright, I'm off to go see Mikey. He's finally finished his bike. I've been looking forward to see it when it's done. I was gonna get a naked bike, ended up on a sport again. Maybe at some point try a complete different new bike. You know, it's nice to jump on different bikes. I mean, don't get me wrong, sports bikes are nice, but I think the days for sport bikes are coming to an end. There's so many restrictions on the bike itself, on road. This is quite hard on a sport bike. Like even if you're just cruising, if they see you, I mean, they stereotype you straight away. They'll be thinking, okay, it'll be a speeding, let's just check him out. There's more chances of you getting pulled over on a sport bike than any other bikes. So anyway, not gonna give you a headache with that. Let's go see Mikey. Let's go see this special bike. You got there. So this guy just told me that he's got a dash cam. I have no idea why. I mean, I'm not planning to rob him or anything. No. What the hell, man? Why would you tell me he's got a dash cam? Well, let's give him something to watch later on tonight. Let's go. Let's see if it's here. Oh my god, look at it. Hell. Oh my god, I can't believe it. He's done a good job with it. Ladies and gentlemen, Triumph Rocket GT. It looks stunning. This bike is an animal. Got the SLOWBOYS logo on it. This one. Alright, let's go for a ride with Mikey. Rocket looks serious. Look how fat the red tire is. The biggest, oh my god, he came and popped a wheelie on it. What can you compare this bike to? I don't think there's anything out there like it. It's got the biggest motorcycle engine. It's 2500cc. Yeah, Mikey handled that bike well. I'm sure it's not easy to hold it onto those handlebars with the amount of torque it has. That's a wide handlebar he's got, and his mirror's sticking out. It's not easy to filter. Well, he doesn't live in London. If you live in London, you definitely need a different setup for your mirrors. Well, Mikey, tell us what you've done to the bike.
Remapped, de-restricted, loads of powder coating, carbon, deleted the side panel, powder coated the shop, yeah. Painted the wheels, the tank, and the SLOWBOYS on top, more importantly.
That looks amazing. What's the power on the bike now?
It's about 180 horsepower, but 221 newton meters of torque.
200 what?
221. It lifts on the throttle, on the back. It's on the back wheel on the throttle now.
What gear?
First, second.
First and second.
It's got the quick shift to say if you balance it right, it'll keep it.
And it's long wheel base.
Yeah.
You would think this is not going to lift.
But it does.
It's got a ridiculous amount of torque. Well, you've done the wheels as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Attention to detail. Biggest motorcycle engine.
Yeah, it is.
What's 0 to 60 on this?
2.6.
Minus 2.6. Takes you back in time. You used to own a H2 before.
Yeah.
Do you regret selling it?
Only because what the H2s are fetching now.
Only because of the price?
Yeah, no, not really. I love the H2, but it was going to get me arrested or killed. But this is no different.
That's exactly what Bob told me. What are these little vents over here?
It's ram air.
Okay.
So that's the air intake.
Is it on both sides?
Yeah.
So look. How massive this radiator cap is.
Good big up there, mate.
But you painted this over here?
Yeah, that's printed in there.
You got a few bits of carbon on it. This is so clean. Look at it. Just in case if you need it. Comfortable seat. And there's a appropriate pillion. Don't need it. Put it back in.
Looks like an expensive job, I think.
It would be.
Definitely attention to detail is very nice.
Yeah, he always does a great job. I change it every time.
Paint?
Yeah.
And did you paint the shop?
Yeah, normally it's the side panel there. Deleted that.
My dad had the first gen Triumph
Oh yeah.
rocket back in the 2000s, I think it was.
Yeah.
And he crashed it the first day.
Did he?
Because I think it was the first of its type.
Yeah.
There was a Z-Max.
That's right, yeah.
No,
Yeah, it does, it goes.
And there's still a triple.
Yeah.
Amazing that they can do a 2.5 litre triple.
The pistons are massive. They're about that big.
And what torque does it put out?
221 newton meters.
Yeah, definitely something to behold, a true muscle bike.
Yeah, nice one.
Do you want to give the details after the barbecue in June?
Details to be confirmed.
Okay.
We're looking at June. So I'm sure Sean will put it up on his page, hopefully get some all the information. Hopefully we can see you guys there. And have a good day out.
Nice one, Dean. As always. Mikey, you've done great with this one.
Thanks, mate.
Maybe I'll go for a spin on it, get some footage,
You need to.
and see how it is. Yeah? I cannot refuse that offer. I've been looking forward to writing one of these. Yeah.
The ones that scare you are always the ones you want.
It's just, I know myself how I am on the bike, and obviously when it's somebody else's bike, I'm just like, it always makes me nervous.
Why is it 200 brake 3-4?
No, but I get it because a bike is personal.
Yeah.
If someone sits on my bike, I'm like,
Yeah.
I get a little angsty on that side.
Yeah.
You could see the founder of the SLOWBOY on this.
Yeah, especially with that livery.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll go out on a ride today and see how this rocket is. I absolutely love it. Thanks to Michael for bringing over. See see you guys on the next episode. Thanks, Dean. Cheers. Thank you. Just doesn't want to be in there. Finally, I've been looking forward to ride this bike past couple of years, but never got a chance. And now, look at the one I'm trying. This is definitely a very special bike though. Oh, let's see how it pulls. First gear. Oh my god, this bike can pull. This bike ain't a joke, seriously. Wow. You know what, it's a heavy bike. Once you start moving, you don't feel it. Ah, come on. Look at the torque that he's got. I'm on a second gear. Let's see if I can close that gap. Yeah, definitely a fun bike. I do like to do a trip on this, take it for a long ride. Where my sitting position is very comfortable. There's no pressure on my wrist. It looks like I'm just sitting on a chair. Yeah, this is nice. I've got like a little back support, which also helps me not to push back. This bike's got so much torque. Look how beautiful this tank is. You know, this SLOWBOYS design, I don't know if you can see on the video, is huge. And to be honest, it does look nice. It just goes in well with the whole bike thing. Just attention to details. Look, Mikey's got some LED lights underneath, and if you can see it. Yeah, this bike is completely different experience. If you're just cruising, you can see from the torque, you know how much power you got on this bike. I reckon this rocket can beat the sport bikes off the lot. Wow, what a bike. Mikey, thank you. What a bike, it pulls. Nice to go to a longer ride, but I could just imagine just going around the block. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. We're definitely going to see more of this bike this season. Yeah, love it. Love this tank. Till the next time.
Riding the bike on the pavement. Come to the station. 50 quid.
Got it. Put the copter, so let's go. I wish every fine was a fiver. Ta-da.